Boom. All right, we're gonna rock out with this. We back with another video. Hey, this is day 2 of me documenting my journey through just learning how to day trade, learning how to do options, day trade when it comes to futures, anything when it comes to day trading. We're gonna learn it here. We're gonna learn it nice and in the right way and capacity, Today is January the 3rd. It's a Friday. Oh, we got busy in the market today. You got to be in it to win it. So we was in it, and we did pretty good today. But most importantly, I did say I want to document my losses. I want to go ahead and get my losses out the way. Um, Even though this is not this is not a trade I took in 2025. It does lead into 2025, and it does affect our portfolio. So I'm gonna go ahead and include it. All right. So let me just tell y'all the story. All right, boom. I bought an Amazon contract the 16th of December, right? In my head, I'm thinking, oh, it's the holiday season. People are using Amazon to do their holiday shopping. Their first quarter is going to be great. I mean, everything's just going to be good. And at the time, I think they was on a little run at this time. They were, I think, they were at 230 or touching 230 around this time. So I was just eager to kind of get on the train that was already moving. At the time, what I did not really, which I knew, but I didn't stick to. I didn't stick to that. 230 was like a high for Tesla. So in that sense, it was kind of like resistance. It was like Amazon was trying to push through this wall, and it was either gonna break through this wall or it was gonna come back down. You get what I'm saying? And they just call that like a kind of like a retest. Like it's that's why it's called resistance, because it's resisting at 230, and it's gonna go back down, then it'll go back up, go back down, and then maybe shoot up. That's just kind of like how the stock market works in general. But yeah, that was kind of my mindset that like, oh, there's a holiday season, Amazon is gonna go on a little run because everybody's using Amazon for the gifts, blase, blase. Boom, I bought one contract. And then I think I fell down probably like 20% in the contract. And when stocks are down, guys, I want y'all to look at that as a buying opportunity. So in my head, I'm like, oh, I can like kind of dollar cost average in a way and kind of lessen my loss by buying another contract, because I really believe that Amazon is really going to take off and shoot past 230, So boom, I bought another contract. Amazon continues to fall. I think it goes down $10. I think it went from like 230 to like 220. It might have fell a little bit below 220 as well. So I was super down on my contract. I bought it, like I said, December 16th, and it expires January 17th. So I gave myself about a month window to let this play out. And currently I'm down 67%. I am down 67%. That equates to being down $888. Yeah, it hurts. It really does. And let this be a lesson to y'all. Really, let my losses be a lesson to y'all. Cut your losses early. I should have cut this loss when I first saw it fall below 20%. I should have cut the loss. I could have used that capital and got in at another level. You get what I'm saying? Instead of buying the same contract. But cut your losses early. I could have cut it at 30%, 40%, 50%. Nah, I let this almost get to down 70%. I'm almost down $1,000. And I could be using this money for any and everything I could have been using this money for. So it does hurt. It definitely does hurt. So it's in the past, man. You can't cry with spoiled milk, I'm not finna sit here and act like that's not a lot of money, because what? Well, I could be fresh right now with $888. Like what? But that's a part of the game. It's a part of the game. You win some, you lose some. The name of the game is to win most. Win more than you lose. And that's what we're going to do in the year of 2025. We're going to win more than we lose. But I just want to kind of get on here and just keep it real with y'all. So I mean, I'm down this much. y'all should say, hey, Deshaun, you just told us to cut your losses, cut your losses. Honestly, this is a play from last year. So I'm probably gonna let it go to the expiration date. I could change my mind, and if I do, I'll let y'all know. But from this point on, all the trades that we do in the year of 2025, we will cut our losses early. Okay, but since this was done last year, we're gonna just let it play out and see how we see how it does. Today, the stock market had a good day, as many of you probably know. So today I'm up 42%. I made $126 in market value. My market value went up $126 for my 2 contracts of Amazon. So we're going in the right direction. Then again, Monday could come and it can fall right back down. So we'll see. We'll see where this goes. But I still have a little bit of time. It's the 3rd, so I have about 14 days left. Probably only have like 10 trading days left, honestly. But we'll see how this goes, and I'll keep y'all posted. But that's from last year. Let's talk about plays that we did in 2025. Boom. January the 2nd, which is a Thursday, I think I told y'all in my first video that we bought a contract for Tesla, a leap option call for Tesla. At the end of Thursday, we were down. I can't say how much we were down because I honestly don't. Oh, I could probably look at it here. I think I was down probably like 20. No, I was down like 16%. I wasn't down. I was down by almost 20% on this contract at the end of Thursday. But like I said, I have myself some time, so I'm not really tripping on that, being down that much in a day, because we have time to let this expire. This doesn't expire till February the 21st. Boom. But now I look at the contract. Like I said, we were down at the end of Thursday. At the end of today, we are currently up 46%. That equates to $230. All right. So, oh, sorry. Let me tell y'all the dollar amount. On Thursday, I was down $70, and today I'm up $230. This is the power of options and just how quickly things can change for you if you really believe in your play. So like I said, we're up 46% today. Equates to $230. My plan was to kind of similar to what I told y'all with Amazon, kind of dollar cost average. If Tesla had continued to drop, I was gonna buy another contract and just take it to the upside. It's when Tesla takes off, it takes off. So it has a lot of momentum behind it, and so I was just gonna be along for the ride. You get what I'm saying? But since it was up today, I chose to just keep my position at 1 contract, and we're just gonna ride this out until a little closer to our expiration date and just see how the market behaves in the next couple weeks. All right. But when I got into this contract, Tesla had a down day. Thursday it was a down day for Tesla, and they were about 380 when I bought this contract. And then at the end of the day, it dropped to like 370, which was okay. What, we can't cry over spilled milk. That's whatever. We're up now. Let's be happy about it, right? But boom, what I'm telling y'all to say this is, when it's a down day for a good company, that is a buying day. You know what I'm saying? You go to the store and you see a good quality clothes that are on sale, you buy it. You get what I'm saying? My mom didn't buy me Polo unless it was on sale. You get what I'm saying? That's the same way it should work for these contracts. You get a bigger bang for your buck when you buy the contracts on a down day, right? And so that's what we did. We bought on a down day, and today, look, we were able to take it up and make way more money than we lost in that sense. But I still haven't locked in profit, just to let y'all know. Like I said, I'm just gonna let this ride closer to the expiration date. But that's just the power of options and just how it could change your life. So just imagine if I was doing this with 10 contracts. You get what I'm saying? And that's eventually where we're gonna get to on this channel. I'm gonna be very transparent with y'all. I'm just gonna show y'all my my steps through this and how I operate and navigate. We also made in our personal account, we also made some money. We made about $100 today. Our personal account, trading VRT. I could be wrong. It could be VST, but I want to say I traded the ticker symbol VRT. I just saw all the markets were going up today. VRT had very, very high volume, very, very strong volume. And we got in that trade. We sat in that trade for about an hour and a half, maybe almost 2 hours. And we were up $200 while I was at work. Like working my full-time job, I was up. And I was able to make an extra $100 on the side, which is great for my portfolio. I'll include a screenshot of that in here as well. But that's just, like I said, that's just the power of options. That's the power of being able to learn a skill that prints money, literally. I didn't have to clock in. I didn't have actual permission to do this. I didn't have to, nothing. This was all up to me, and that's what it's all about. It's just having complete autonomy of what you can do with the knowledge that you gain from this game. It's literally a game that you play. And that's quite frankly it, you know. I'm here to learn. I'm not some guru. I don't know how to read charts to the T. I don't know how to be necessarily surgical when it comes to getting in and out of plays. But I'm learning, and I'm here to learn. And that's all you have to do. You just have to be willing to learn, willing to change your life. So if you guys have any pointers or discords you want to invite me to, please comment, leave a comment below. Comment things you want to see, good stocks to trade, things like that. Just let me know what I can do for you and what you can do for me, because this is a community that we're building, and we're here to change our lives together. Like I said, like I'm a regular person. I am no guru. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just here to prove to you that you can do the same thing that I'm doing. That's it. You have the same, if you have access to the internet, you have a phone, you have the computer, you can do the same thing over and over again. And I know I've shown y'all probably that I've lost more money than I made. That's just the video for today, but I haven't, I've actually made more money than I lost. So it's been a good journey. It comes times where you get discouraged and stuff, but the name of the game, you got to be in it to win it. So don't give up. All right, just keep on going, and then y'all will make it. But yeah, so with that being said, I think that's probably the end of this video. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, for real. Like I need it. Like y'all saw the negative $888. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. So I don't go crazy, and I can keep doing this thing. You get what I'm saying? This is it's tough. It's tough, but we're gonna make it together. It's very rewarding as well. So yeah, I'll catch y'all next time.